In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Wix.com and users.wix.com. Open your browser and head to Wix.com. On the homepage, click Login in the upper right. You'll be taken to the Wix sign-in page on users.wix.com. Choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly, select your account, and finish the prompt so Wix can create or access your profile. Once you're in your account, click Create New Site. When the AI assistant screen appears, choose Setup without chat. This skips the conversational flow and gets you straight into the classic onboarding, which is great if you already know what you want. Next, describe your website. Write a short, clear sentence about what you're building, like an online store for handmade candles, or a portfolio for a freelance designer. This helps Wix suggest relevant layouts and features. Click Continue. Now, choose a name for your site. Pick something memorable and brand ready. You can always change it later, so don't overthink it at this stage. Click Continue to proceed. You'll see a screen to select your site goals. Check the goals that match what you need, things like selling products, taking bookings, showcasing a portfolio, or starting a blog. Wix uses these to tailor your setup. Click Continue. On the Apps screen, click Add Apps and Continue. This page lets you include recommended tools based on your goals. If you're unsure, you can accept the defaults. You can add or remove apps anytime from your dashboard. You'll land on your site dashboard. Click Design Site to start building, then click Pick a Template. Use the search bar to find your ideal template design. Try keywords like online store, portfolio, or restaurant. When you see a template you like, click to pick the website template you love. If you want to double-check before committing, click View to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. When you're ready, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Inside the editor, make any quick adjustments you want. Then click Publish in the top right. Follow the prompt by choosing Save and Continue, and then click Done to confirm. Publishing makes a live version of your site available on a Wix domain. To make sure everything looks right, click Preview to see how your pages behave. Finally, click View Site to open the live version in a new tab and review it as a visitor would. Remember, you can return to the editor anytime to refine sections, swap images, and update text. And don't forget to check the mobile view to ensure your site looks great on every device.